Welcome to Mini Minds TV! Hello kids! Today we are going to learn school objects. So come on, let's learn all the school objects together. Let's go with me. Hello kids, this is a pencil. A pencil is used for writing and drawing. Look, the girl is writing with the pencil. L, pencil. Can you say pencil? Hello kids! This is a scale. A scale is used to draw straight lines and measure things. Look, the girl is using the scale to draw. Hello kids! This is a book. A book is used for reading and learning. Look, the girl is reading the book. Can you say book? Hello kids! This is a glue stick. A glue stick is used for sticking paper and crafts. Look, the girl is using the glue stick to stick paper. Hello kids! This is a school bag. A school bag is used to carry school supplies. Look, her school items in the school bag. Hello kids! This is an eraser. An eraser is used to erase writing. Look! The girl is erasing word with the eraser. Hello kids! This is a pencil sharpener. A pencil sharpener is used to sharpen pencils. Look, the girl is sharpening the pencil. Can you say pencil sharpener? Hello kids! This is a pen. A pen is used for writing. Look, the girl is writing with the pen. P-E-N, pen. Can you say pen? Hello kids! This is a notebook. A notebook is used for writing and taking notes. Look, the girl is writing in the notebook. Can you say notebook? Hello kids! Crayon. A crayon is used for coloring. The girl is coloring with a crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Crayon. Hello kids! This is a marker. A marker is used for writing and drawing. Look, the girl is writing with the marker. M-A-R-K-E-R. Marker. Hello kids! This is scissors. Scissors are used for cutting paper and other materials. Look, the girl is cutting the paper with scissors. Hello kids! This is a blackboard. A blackboard is used for teaching and writing. Look, the girl is writing on the blackboard. B-L-A. Hello kids! This is a whiteboard. A whiteboard is used for teaching and writing. Look, the girl is writing on the whiteboard. Hello kids! This is chalk. Chalk is used for writing and drawing on a blackboard. Look, the girl is writing with chalk. Hello kids! This is a desk. A desk is used for studying and writing. Look, the girl is studying at the desk. Hello kids! This is a chair. A chair is used for sitting. Look, the girl is sitting on the chair. Can you say chair? Hello kids! This is a school bus. A school bus is used to take children to school. Look, the girl is getting on the school bus. Hello kids! This is a calculator. A calculator is used to solve math problems. Look, can you say calculator? Calculator? Hello kids! This is a lunchbox. A lunchbox is used to carry food to school. Look, the girl is eating her lunch from the lunchbox. Can you say lunchbox?
Don't forget to subscribe to Mini Minds TV. See you in the next learning adventure.